Can I join an adult Quran class if I have no prior knowledge of the Quran? Yes, absolutely. Many adult Quran classes are designed for beginners and cater to individuals who have no prior knowledge of the Quran. These classes are typically structured to gradually introduce learners to the basics of the Quran and Islamic teachings. What are the benefits of joining an adult Quran class as opposed to self-study? Joining an adult Quran class offers several benefits over self-study. There's a proficient tutor on hand to help you grasp the course material and clear any uncertainties you may encounter during your studies. Moreover, you'll be able to collaborate with other students who possess common interests and participate in collective conversations and events. What if I cannot commit to a regular schedule for Quran classes? Many adult Quran classes offer flexible scheduling options to accommodate learners with busy schedules. Some classes meet only on weekends or in the evenings, while others may offer online classes or self-paced learning modules. Be sure to research the different options available to find a class that fits your schedule and learning style. Is it ever too late to start learning the Quran as an adult? Beginning Quran lessons as an adult is never too late. The Quran has been found to bring a new perspective on life for many adults who have taken the time to learn its teachings. For those looking to strengthen their spirituality, gain a better understanding of Islamic principles, or continue their education, there are numerous adult Quran courses to choose from.